Hey guys, well, last video we did sort of a hello world, um, and this time I want to show you that Ember gives you this incredibly powerful feature called bindings for free. Bindings, as you would intuitively think of it, as the binding uh, of your variable's value in one place to changes in another place. That's sort of a crude definition, but we'll see what that looks like better with the example. So here's our application outlet, and we've got a message variable. We haven't defined anything yet. Just reload, make sure there's no errors. Okay, so let's go ahead and say vi.js. We're going to remove everything, but we want a application route. So I'm going to steal this guy, and we're going to use that setup controller lifecycle hook, which is going to pass in a controller. I'm going to abbreviate it with C, and I'm going to say C set. Actually, I'm going to, well, yeah, let's just set this up. C set message. This is a message. And now if we reload, we see our message. Okay, so what I really want to do though is I want to set this variable initially on the application controller itself, like I showed you in the last video. And then what we're trying to look at is binding. So what we need to do is set it and then change it. So let's just define message here. This is the initial message. And then what we'll do is we'll just set a little timeout over here, JavaScript timeout, and let's set this for 3 seconds, and then we'll say dope, message got changed. Let's just see if that works. That's the initial message. Dope, message got changed. And let's just go ahead and mutate it one more time. And maybe we'll bring this down to 1 second for each change. I could do this in a loop, but wow, got changed again. And this is just showing that the stuff's bound. So there's the initial change. Wow, it got changed again. That happened pretty fast. Oh, let's set this for 3 seconds. They're kind of almost simultaneously happening. Dope, message got changed. Wow, it changed again. So this is all getting referenced from that one outlet, right? It's getting plopped in here. So we didn't do anything special. That was just one-way binding for free. We didn't have to do anything special. We just defined a variable on the controller, referenced it from our application outlet, from our handlebars template, and as we mutated it, it just was bound. So that's a pretty neat thing with Ember. Angular gives you something similar, but it's definitely worth noting. It's one of the powerful things that Ember provides.